Hi, in this video tutorial, I'll show you how to add information about our work to the Facebook profile on our device. Let's go to Facebook and see how to do it. We go to Facebook, after which we go to the upper right corner to our profile. We go to the profile, go down below, and there is a Workplace tab. Click on it. After which, you can first select the workplace name. For me, it will be Google. Next, job title, branch manager, location New York. This way, you fill in whatever you want. Any description. You can also set from what moment you work there. For example, July 1st, 2023. Or if you once worked and left, then you move the slider opposite, currently work here, and you can select the date when you came and when you left. Add a month and day. Also, at the end, you can choose public. Friends, only me, see more. Here you can select special friends and friends accept. I will have this public. Click on Save. We are asked to change the date. Let's put the year 12. Save. That's it. Our information has been preserved. And now we can see in the window where and by whom we work. Thank you all for watching. Subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and see you soon.